Blue Lick Elementary, and our playground was vandalized 2 years ago, and we have been in a process of dreaming for 2 years and fundraising to get a playground built. 2 years ago, we started seeing on social media that our playground was burning. We showed up the next morning and it was melted down to nothing.
I was really upset when it burned down because it was like the only one we had. But we still have fun because we got to play basketball and stuff.
Our students came to school that day, that week, and they recognized that this sense of safety was gone, and something that they look forward to every day was gone. But people were calling every day asking how they could help. Could they give us money? Could they help us raise the money? And so it really was the beauty from ashes. Literally, the playground was in ashes, and this has become a beautiful experience for all of our families, especially for our staff, because we definitely felt the love.
It's really cool. My favorite part is probably the little spinny thing over there.
It took quite a while to get the playground built, but it's awesome. It was kind of worth the wait with what's here now. It's huge. It's got basically everything you could want. It's a lot of an upgrade.
Kids are already excited to come to the playground. They're already showing up, and school's not in session. They're bringing their families. I think in a school day, this is the place where community happens, and our students can feel a sense of belonging. That's very important at Blue Lick, so we think this playground's going to help us do that.